take this thing from. There's a blue one that just came. Okay, so it looks like Carnival cruise ship just came into Aruba, and this is one of the tourist hangout spots, so we'll get a view of the front. Okay, so this is Aruba's shopping area. This looks like nice stuff. It's wooden though. Nice. Pretty cool. They have some wooden or bamboo wind chimes.
Oh, that's it.
Okay. Then there is some Royal Plaza. Other high-rise stuff. It's really beautiful. Oh, that's part of the Royal Plaza. So it says Iguana Joe's. I don't know what's on the menu,
Hopefully not iguana.
but it's very suspicious. And this is the Royal Plaza. It's a middle building, and then this is the building towards the left. Looks like there's a lot of little shops up there. So it seems like when people leave the cruise ship, which is way over there, they come to Iguana Joe's and you just have your lunch.
I have Carnival Wi-Fi, by the way.
Oh wow. At the back of that tree there is like Carnival cruise ship. Okay, so this is their Jamaican food. It looks interesting. Let's basically, let's see. Oh, what's this?
Coconut shrimp, mac and cheese, and some vegetables. Looks like pumpkin.
Oh, cool. So their mac and cheese is pretty good. However, there's some jerk chicken here. Yeah, it just looks like white turkey breast with jerk sauce. I'm not too impressed with it. With jerk sauce.
Is it turkey?
No, I mean chicken breasts with jerk sauce. So these are some cruise ship that just came in. There is Carnival Horizon. And you can actually leave the cruise ship and there's some shopping area and some food places. Some nice tourist hangout. And that's a tourist there. That's a tourist. tourist with her hat. Oh, that's Shoma. And there's some party buses, so you could take a party bus from there. So far I've seen some bar hopping bus. I've saw the tours, so they'll take you around different tours if you sign up. And there's also a few different taxis that you could hire. So there goes an Aruban party bus. Guess it takes you around bar hopping and take you to the favorite drinking spots.
We went to the museum, that's fun.
So this is what's on Aruba. Oh, there's a trolley route. Okay, so I've been waiting a while for the trolley and I haven't seen any come out, but let's go to the yard, see if we could get a schedule or something. Oh, but there's one in there. That's it. I don't see any schedule anywhere. But that's pretty cool. So it looks like there is a red one. There is another gold one in the back. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be here. Looks pretty cool. So they have washroom facilities next to the trolley. Trolley looks pretty cool. Some nice wooden seats. And then there's another deck on top. I guess you could use both decks.
Yeah. Like my eyes and stuff.
Oh, so that's Shoma not feeling good. And we're waiting for this trolley thing. So let's see how that goes. I think we gotta go across the road. Okay, so it looks like here's where you take this thing from. There's a blue one that just came. Okay. So over there is the archaeological museum that we went to earlier. Coming up to the left.
Ladies and gentlemen, left side from the streetcar, left hand side. The Archaeological Museum, still open until 5 p.m. Lado izquierdo, Museo Arqueológico, está abierto todavía hasta las 5 de la tarde. Free entrance, entrada completamente gratis. Sherry's Aruba Bank stop. If you need to use the ATM machine, let us know. There's an ATM machine so you can, you know, lift up a couple of bucks. Got to the last stop is my favorite stop. That's our drinking spot. Drinking stop. Okay, let's próxima parada, última parada. The second stop here in the Main Street, downtown area. Sherry's. Segunda parada aqui, Sherry's.
So these are some beer selection. Some local beers that they have. Shoma's Choice. Okay, so we're heading back to the cruise ship on the trolley. Say cheese. So Royal Plaza, where was that? Wasn't that where you had lunch today? Yeah?
Oh, it was Iguana Joe's.
Yeah, in the Royal Plaza.
Ah, oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So there you go, there is the Royal Plaza. This is part of it.